So in here you have the little LED lights, and I've actually used it like halfway. Just like touching it. This is how you're basically gonna know what results you get from this whitening kit. Yes, baby. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Edarago. Thank you for tuning in this video. If it's your first time stopping by, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But if you're part of the family, thank you for clicking on this video. So as you can tell on the title, I'm going to be doing a review on the Hismile whitening teeth kits. So I recently got this kit about a week ago, and I'm here to actually give you guys my honest review on this kit, if it actually works or not, if it's worth it. And I'm just going to tell you guys how I went through the process of whitening my teeth and every other thing. So about 2017 I had my teeth whitened in a dental clinic, and by then my teeth was very discolored, like it was proper discolored. So basically in the clinic I went to, you get like two package. You either get the £299 or you either get the £100. So basically the £299 you get like a whole session. Let's just say that's gonna give you the best result ever. But then the £100 you go for just like 1 hour, and like you just whiten your teeth for a little bit. You don't get the best result of all. So I went for the £100 package, and that was what I got. My teeth was looking a bit good and it was looking a bit nice, but it wasn't that white as I wanted it to be. I was like, okay, so I didn't have enough money to go to the dental clinic, so I was like, okay. And I even saw Kourtney Kardashian using this kit. I was like, okay, if she's using it, and Kylie Jenner as well, she was promoting the whitening kit. I'm like, all right, so if these people are actually using it, like, you know, we're talking about, you know, the Kim K family, so if they're using it, why won't it work for me if it actually worked for them? So I'm like, okay, let me just go for it. Let me order the kits and get it and actually see if it's gonna work for me. So I went ahead and I ordered the kit, and this is what I got. I got the day and night toothpaste, and then I got the teeth whitening kit. So in here you have, like, when you open it, you have like the syringe. As you can see, I've used two of the syringe, but I still have one left, so I'm actually gonna keep using this one. And you have like the instruction. You just open it and it kind of tells you how this works, and at the back it has like this little card. This is how you're basically gonna know what results you get from this whitening kit. So in here you have the little LED lights, and you have the mouth tray. Yeah, it's just like a plastic tray, so you just like put this in your mouth, and yeah, you just have to like attach this to the LED light. So I went ahead and I ordered the toothpaste as well. So it comes with the night toothpaste and the day toothpaste. As you guys can see, I've actually used it like halfway. Is actually halfway because I've used it for a week now. This is the night toothpaste. So I think I used the night toothpaste more than the day toothpaste, because every time before I go to bed I use this, because this is going to give it like, it's going to brighten your teeth before you use the LED light. For how this works, you just have to take the LED lights and take the mouth tray, attach this to the LED light, so it goes like that. So you attach it to the LED light. This is the gel I have left. I've not used this. I still have like a little bit in there. So you just take the thing in, you just take it off, and you have to apply the gel in between, like where your teeth is gonna go, like there, and the top and the bottom. You put it in your mouth like this, and you turn on the lights, that's the light on, and you just put it in your mouth. So that is how it works. I'm going to turn it off now. My honest review about this whitening kit, let's say I'm actually like satisfied with the result. I felt like this was not going to work, but it actually worked for me. I don't know, it might not work for other people, but it worked for me. It depends on the way you use it. During the process, I stopped drinking anything, any drink that has a lot of color on it, like fizzy drink, tea, coffee, wine, whatever. So I stopped drinking those, and I drank water for the whole while. Basically, it's actually a nice kit. Like, it's worth it. You can save money out of this. Like, literally, you don't have to like use £300 or £200 to get your teeth whitening. So I'm gonna put a picture of how my teeth looked before, and I'm gonna put another picture of how my teeth looks now, like the before and the after. But then still, I'm still gonna show you guys how my teeth look now, because fam, my teeth used to be yellow, like discolored, but I think my teeth is looking better now. What do you think? Really and truly, this whitening kit really worked for me. Like, I was not about to go waste £300 on a laser whitening. No, girl was not about to do that, man. I ain't got that money, fam. I can use the money to get some Balenciaga, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my teeth, how it looks now. So y'all, baby. So yeah, this is how my teeth looks now. Like, this is so satisfying, literally so satisfying. I can't believe my teeth is looking this white. I mean, it's not like proper white, but at least the teeth is not looking discolored. Yeah, so that is what my teeth looks like right now. I'm so happy, I'm so satisfied that I got this whitening kit. Basically, this cost £49. There are two options of shipping. There's one standard and the other one is express. The standard shipping is about £2.99 and the express shipping is about I think it's £4.99. So I went for the standard shipping, and everything literally round up about 63 quid. It actually works, like, and I'm not even gonna stop here. I'm still gonna keep using this because I still have this gel left, and I'm actually gonna use this till it finish. And I'm actually gonna order another gel tray. I'm just gonna order the 3 gels because I want to keep using it, because I want absolute best result. Okay, I actually forgot to do something. I want to actually check the shade I'm on right now, because on day 1 when I started, I think I was on shade 5. Yeah, day 1 I was in shade 5, and then I'm gonna see what shade I am right now. So let's see. Is that shade 5? That's shade 5. So more alike, I think I'm on shade 3. Yeah, shade 3 or 4. So when I started on day 1, I was on shade 5, but we've actually moved like 2 shades further. So this is actually a good news for me. I mean, I've been struggling with this whitening thing for the past 1 year, but I'm so glad that I got the Hismile whitening kit. This is actually worth it, guys. So don't hesitate to go get yours. This is going to bring you amazing results. Actually, this is not sponsored at all. This is not sponsored. I'm not trying to promote Hismile. No. I'm just like giving my honest opinion and my honest review, because I've used it and actually think it works. So I'm going to recommend it to you guys to go get yours. If you're thinking that it's not going to work, you might as well just get it and just try and see if it works. So yeah, that's it. So I think that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give your girl a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.